Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. As you can see, I am going to start making some Microsoft Teams tutorials because I'm using it a lot for work. But obviously for privacy reasons, I can't use my work Teams to demonstrate the function to you guys. So what I'm going to do, well, what I have done already is I've made a Magic Monk Teams organization, which you guys are all free to join. And then I'm going to demonstrate the features using my Magic Monk Teams website. So to get onto Teams, what you do is you simply type in teams.microsoft.com in your web browser. Now, as you can see, I'm using Microsoft Edge right now, but you can also obviously use Chrome or whatever browser. I use Chrome for work, but yeah, Edge works as well. So once you go onto that website, it should go into Teams for you automatically if you're at work. If not, you might need to sign in with your Microsoft account. And the first function I want to talk about is how to chat with people. So on the left hand side is the main navigation bar of all the functions you have in Microsoft Teams. So the first function I want to explore is simply chatting. Okay, chatting with people you work with, chatting with people outside of your company, whatever you need to chat for. Okay, obviously used for work purposes, to collaborate on editing files and things like that. Okay, so to start off chatting, I'm going to talk to my friend Gareth. Now, in case you guys didn't know, Gareth is the one that made my YouTube trailer on my website. If you want to check that out, magicmonktutorials.com. So I'm going to say something to Gareth. I'm going to say, "Hi Gareth, I'm making the Teams video right now. How are you?" Right? Send it to Gareth. And the cool thing is, once you send a message, it starts off with a little tick to say that it's sent. Okay, so what that means is the message has been delivered, but it's waiting for Gareth to open it up. Okay, so the message is no longer just at your computer. It's been sent to the server, and the server has delivered it to Gareth. Okay, but he hasn't read it yet. So hopefully he's going to read it soon. And when he reads it, you will see this symbol change to something else. So let's try and wait for that. Okay, so as you can see, this symbol here still hasn't changed, probably because I'm in this Edge browser, doesn't fully support it. But you can see that it says, "Hi Eddie, I'm great, thanks." So he replied. Finally, the symbol changes to having seen it. Okay, so if this symbol is just a tick, it means they haven't read it yet. But if it's an eye, it means that they have seen the message. So now Gareth has replied. Obviously, if you talk to each other, it tells you when they've replied. You can also react to messages. So you can put a like on these messages or heart or whatever. Okay, so that's chatting with one person. Okay, now obviously you can also put some other things to decorate the writing. Okay, so for example, I might change the format of the text, so you can bold it, you can I don't know, what else can you do? Highlight it. Highlight it. And more interesting. All right, change the text color and all these formatting options. Okay, So you can also insert links, which is really cool. So let's just press enter there. Oops, let's send it. So some different formatting in the text, just like an email. You can attach files. Okay, so let's talk about what happens when you attach a file. So if I click attach files, ignore that little tooltip there, you can attach using a file that's on your computer, or you can browse for files in your OneDrive. So if a file is on your computer, not on your OneDrive, it'll actually upload it to your OneDrive and then attach it. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. So let's say I want to upload a file from my computer. So the file I want to upload is going to be a document called Teams Test, which is on my desktop. So it's just a blank Word document with some text in it. So I'm going to say this is a test on collaborating in Teams. Okay, so I have sent this Word document, which is from my desktop, to Gareth. Once you attach a file, you will see that it actually goes into the file section. And it's got the Teams Test name, and both of you can now edit this file, and it'll actually make changes to that file live on the cloud. So I want to talk about where this file is stored now. This file, once you upload it onto Teams, it's sitting on your OneDrive. Okay, it's sitting on your OneDrive, and you can download it, you can get a link to it and share with other people. But if you want, you can go to your OneDrive and find this file. So I'm going to show you two ways on how to do that. The first way is to just go to your files, go to your OneDrive, and this is your OneDrive. Okay, this is your OneDrive, and you can go to Microsoft Teams chat files, and it's now sitting in there. So all of your live collaboration can be done in this file. Okay, so now let's go back to the chat, and you can see that Gareth has read this file. And if we go into this file, and you can see some typing, and you can see that this word hello wasn't there before, so that was done by Gareth, whereas this was done by me. Okay, so to make that more obvious, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little table, all right, and I'm going to make it with 2 columns. I'm going to say Eddie, type here. Gareth, type here. Okay, and you can see Gareth's cursor there. Alright, so I'm chatting to Gareth live, and you can see him typing that. It's cool to see you type live. You're okay with being in this video, correct? Okay, so there is the chat. Okay, so obviously you can chat with someone in this interface. You can upload files and collaborate with them in real life instantaneously, and we'll talk about other features as time goes on. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.